Okay, today we have a Skoda Octavia 2013. So we've just done our water leak check. So we're just going to show you what we've found so far. If we just come into the front, we've removed the A-pillars, and what we can see is that someone has used cable ties to tie it to an electric cable. Normally they're just held on by these. On the passenger side, we can see that there's a bit too many cable ties. Now what the problem is down here, it goes into a little bung. Can you see the little bung now? The problem is the pipe isn't sitting inside the bung, so what that's then doing is when the water comes down, it then runs down the side. Same as this one as well. So what we're going to advise obviously changing both these front sunroof pipes, because they do shrink after time as well. Clean out the cassette, because there's quite a lot of dirt in the cassette as well. So let's just quickly show you what it does. So we're going to put a bit of water in this little bit here without actually getting inside the car. So sitting in the little trough there. And then what that's going to do is it'll work down its way down the pipe. So that one seems to be, there we go. So there it's coming out now. So it takes a bit of time, but I only put a tiny bit down there, so that's where it's coming out. We've managed to catch this one early because it's not that wet under here. It's a little bit damp, but nothing major. Coming round to the other side, this side's a bit different. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour it down here as well. Just down in the front little trough bit. Don't want to put too much water in there. Right, and there we go. So we can see it falling out there quite heavily. So it's not actually going down the hole, it's diverting itself away from it. And then what that's going to then cause is it's going to cause a few problems. We're going to get mould in the car. We can also get electrical problems, and obviously it can smell funny as well. So if we have a look underneath the underlay there, and if I just pick this up, we can see how much water's actually in there. This sponge here is absolutely soaked, so that's going to take some time to dry out as well. And it has travelled all the way to the back on the passenger side. So we haven't lifted up the carpets yet, but we can see that there's still a lot of water under there. So the only way of getting that dry would be taking the seats out, lifting up the carpet, sucking out as much as we can, and then putting our super dry machine in there to dry everything out. So there we go. So that's everything for that one. For further